BJP National General Secretary Organization BL Santosh, accompanied by BJP Northeast in charge Dr. Sambit Patra, arrived in Imphal today. Upon arrival, they were received by BJP Manipur Pradesh President Sharda Devi and party officials, followed by a closed-door meeting with BJP legislators at the party state office, Thambal, Shanglen. Legislators attending the meeting included Konthojam AC MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Andro MLA TH Shyam Kumar, Lamlai MLA KH Bongcha, Uripok MLA KH Raghumani, Thanga MLA T. Robindro, Sekmai AC MLA H. Dingo, Thangmaiban AC MLA KH Joy Kishan, Singjamai AC MLA Y. Kemchan, Nungba AC MLA Diganglung Gangmai, Yai AC MLA TH Satyabrata, Mayang Imphal MLA K. Robindro, Wangjing Tentha AC MLA P. Brojan, Hyanglam MLA Y. Radesham, Wabugai AC MLA Dr. Usham Devan, Juribam MLA Acha Ashabuddin, Herok MLA TH Radesham, Patsoy MLA K. S. Kunjakeshwar, Wangkai MLA TH Arun Kumar, Vishnupur MLA K. Govinda, Sagolban MLA RK Imo, Kurai AC MLA L. Susindro, Lamsang MLA S. Rajan, Haingang MLA and Biren, Nambol AC MLA TH Bashantukumar, Kumbi SC K. SC MLA S. Premchandra, Chandel MLA SS Oldish, Tongju MLA PH DH Bishwajit, Naria Pakanglakpa MLA SKB and Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam. Though BL Santosh did not interact with media, sources indicate that BJP legislators reiterated their desire for formation of a popular government in Manipur.